Today we have the 2017 Volkswagen Golf GTD. This vehicle has done just under 76,000 miles. It has an automatic transmission and a diesel fuel type. To the left of our steering wheel, we have cruise control as a feature, and on the right we have voice control and automatic headlights. Moving on to our screen, we can access radio, media, smartphone integration, navigation and our menu. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with front and rear parking sensors. Just below we have our dual zone climate control, and if we press our mode button we can switch between our 4 different driving modes.